sir. Guys.
Father on the wall, Father. I want to say, I don't know the one when you are saying the Malaysia Godfather. What if you or my Ghana? He said, Opa Ghana, I'm not about to open it. Or you are sleeping fire.
That's the after with you. We are so economy. The whole Ghana not to the we are the digital sports, but the way we are passport for man.